The first user story is Student Applies. The student can browse available placements, upload the required documents, and track the status of their application, whether it's pending, accepted, rejected, or under review. The second user story is Company Posts Opportunity. The company creates postings, review applicants and their documents, and select students for interview. The third user story is Co-op Admin. The admin review postings, approves applications, and monitors the overall activity happening within the system. Then, acceptance criteria. The acceptance criteria include allowing students to view all available placements after logging in. Filtering by company, specialization, or deadline should show the correct matching results. To apply, students must upload the required documents, and they can view their application status through the My Applications page. Company postings only become visible after admin approval. Notifications are automatically sent for status changes, interviews, and upcoming deadlines. Advisors can view all their assigned students and their statuses. And finally, role-based security ensures that only authorized users can access specific features and documents. Moving on to glossary highlights. First, we have the application status, which is the current state of a student application, whether it's pending, under review, accepted, rejected, or interview scheduled. Second, we have posting approval, the admin review process before posting becomes visible to student. Third, we have notification or alert, which is an automatic system message for deadlines, interviews, or status updates. Then, advisor feedback note, which they can leave for students inside the system. Finally, we have role-based access control, which ensures students, advisors, coordinators, and companies can only access what is relevant to their role.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Al Harbi, and today I will explain to you the system sequence diagram. First, we have 4 actors: the students, system, co-op admin, and the company HR. The student will log in into the system. The system will reply with authentication ID and password. The student will create application. The system will send the student application to the co-op admin. The co-op admin will review the application. After that, the system will send to the student that the application is submitted. Now the company HR will log in into the system. The system will do access authentication. The company HR will create placement posting, and the system will do posting confirmed. After that, the company admin will log in into the system, and the system will do access authentication. The company HR will set interview date, time to the co-op admin, and the co-op admin will confirm the dates. The co-op admin will send opportunities to the student. The student will choose one opportunity. The co-op admin will set interview schedule, and the student will choose one date. After that, the co-op admin will send contract to the student. The student finally will confirm the contract. Hello again, I'm Al Harbi, and I will explain the main relationship in our system. So first, each student can have many applications, and each application belongs to one student. Students may also have multiple contracts and one optional document. Students can apply to multiple placement posting, and each posting can have many students. They can also have multiple interviews. Each application may have a review, and each review can create many notifications. Advisor guide many students. HR work with multiple admin, and admins can manage many documents. This is how all the entities are connected in our system. The CRC cards for our project. The scenario is to describe how controller classes interact with the system. Application form page handles the system interaction with an application form. It invokes method from application controller and document controller. Advisor dashboard allows co-op admin to view and manage the students assigned to them, as well as approve or reject applications. Application status page display the student application status and notification. Placement search page enables the student to search for placement by applying many filters. It interacts with the placement controller and application controller. The login page shows login fields, validate the entered email password, and send the login credentials so it could be checked. It interacts with Auto Controller. Student dashboard. It displays application status, show documents links that is uploaded, shows notification and opens the application progress page.
Hello, my name is Shayma and I will be explaining our activity diagram. Here it all started from the student logging into the system. The user might be invalid. Here the student will request a valid and a user and a password from the administrator. Now, if the logging in and the user was valid, the system will display a dashboard to the student, so now the student is able to submit an application. So after this application was submitted, it's going to go straight to the co-op admin. Here the co-op admin will approve this application. If it wasn't approved, it's going to send a notification to the student. If it was approved, it's going to go straight to the company HR. Here the company HR will review this application and then it's going to decide it's either going to reject or approve it. Both ways it will send the notification. It's going to be shown in the system view status, and then the student can log out here and the system will end. Hello, my name is Shayma and I will be explaining our use cases that have been used in both of our diagrams, sequence diagram and the activity diagram, and I'm going to talk about what each actor have done differently in both of these diagrams. So let's start with the sequence diagram. Here it shows more details in terms of what the company HR and the co-op admin have provided to the student, and in terms of details and other processes, and as well it's more of what it's going to happen when everything goes smoothly and everything goes as planned. In terms of authorization to the system, everyone has access because all the actors know that they are authorized to be in here. So about the activity diagram, here it shows a flow of an application coming from the student through the co-op admin and then the company HR. So after the application was submitted by the student, it's going to go straight to the co-op admin. Here the co-op admin would approve or reject this application. So if it was rejected, it's going to send a notification to the student. Now, if it was approved, here the application is allowed to go to the company HR. And the company HR also is going to make a decision by rejecting or approve this application. So after that, both ways, it's going to send a notification for both of these cases to the system, and it's going to be viewed in the status, and the student now could log out, and then the process will be ending here.